Again, this is a vocabulary word that I have chosen from Chapter 7 of David Copperfield. It is an intermediate level vocabulary word, and the word is crave, which means that you want something very strongly. You desire something very strongly. It's frequently used when talking about food, but it can be used in other situations too, when something is strongly desired. Here is a situation. Let's practice using it. Lisa invited John out for pizza. Okay, now here's a sentence. You are inviting me out for pizza. You are inviting me out for pizza. How will you make this into a question? Why? With why? Why? Why are you? Why are you inviting me? Why are you inviting me out for pizza? Now let's change this to reported speech. He asked her. Okay, now the question is, why are you inviting me? How will you change this to reported speech? We will have to undo the question form. The question form is, why are you inviting me? But we don't have a question anymore, so it's why you are inviting me. He asked her, why you are inviting me? Or let's change it to she. He asked her why she is inviting me. He asked her why she is inviting me. Okay, but because it's reported speech, let's change is to was. Why was she inviting me? He asked her why she was. He asked her why she was inviting me. He asked her why she was inviting me out for pizza. This is how she answered. After 3 weeks of dieting, I strongly desire to eat pizza. So imagine that if you've ever dieted, then you start thinking about the food that you really love and you become a little bit obsessed with it and you think, when I'm finished, I'm going to have some pizza. This is a craving. So you can say, she said she was craving pizza. After 3 weeks of dieting, I crave pizza. I want pizza very badly, very strongly. I want pizza. I crave pizza. Now let's change this to reported speech. She said that after 3 weeks of dieting, she craved pizza. She said that after 3 weeks of dieting, she craved pizza. Okay, let's try another example. Here is a situation. Little Johnny was making a lot of noise and causing a lot of problems. Now, let's make a sentence with this situation. You are making a lot of noise. How will you make a why question with that sentence? You are making a lot of noise. Why? Why are you making? Why are you making a lot of? Why are you making a lot of? Why are you making a lot of noise? Why are you making a lot of noise? Why are you making a lot of noise? Okay, now let's change this to a reported speech question. She asked him. She asked him. Now we have the direct question. Why is he? Why is he making noise? Now we have to change this back into a statement. Why he is. Because it's not a question anymore. She asked him why he is. She asked him why he is making a lot of noise. And because it's reported speech, we should probably change is to was. She asked him why he was making a lot of noise. She asked him why he was making a lot of noise. Okay, and let's see. What is our answer? He answered, this is a little boy, because I really strongly desire attention. Of course, a little boy won't say that, but you understand the situation. I really strongly desire attention. Instead of saying strongly desire attention, we can say crave. I crave attention. That's a very strong desire, a very strong want. Because I crave attention. Now let's change this to reported speech. Let's say he said. He said he craved. He said he craved attention. He said he craved attention. Okay. Let's see. Let's move on to